Have you heard about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra? If not, let us ask you this. What if your next smartphone could completely transform how you interact with technology on a daily basis? What if it actively customized itself to you and intelligently handled tedious tasks for you? Well, the Galaxy S24 Ultra might just make this a reality. Yes, you heard that right. Let's talk about it. Generative AI integration. First up, Samsung is going all in on bringing advanced generative AI to their devices. They're investing heavily in AI companies like Irreverent Labs, a specialist in 3D content AI from the US. Samsung is also developing their own AI-powered language model and teaming up with Qualcomm and Meta to integrate the Llama 2 LLM AI system into the S24 lineup, according to reports from Bloomberg and Samobile. What does this mean for us? Well, integrating generative AI has the potential to completely transform how we use our smartphones. Google gave us a taste with the Pixel 8, but Samsung is taking things even further with the S24 Ultra. We can expect extremely personalized experiences, next-level photography capabilities, and an intelligent assistant unlike anything we've seen before. The S24 Ultra may truly represent the beginning of the AI phone era, as noted by leakers like Ice Universe. Exciting stuff. In some big news, it has now been confirmed through a Geekbench listing in Europe that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will use the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip globally. Previous Galaxy S devices have had a mix of Snapdragon and Exynos chips depending on region. This makes the S24 Ultra the first Galaxy S phone to use the same premium Snapdragon processor worldwide, according to reports from GSM Arena, MySmartPrice, and Revegnus. This uniformity will give all S24 Ultra owners access to maximum power and efficiency no matter where they are located. AAA Gaming via cloud. One standout feature Apple touted with the iPhone 15 Pro was the ability to natively run graphically intense AAA games like Resident Evil and Assassin's Creed Mirage. Well, Samsung is bringing AAA tier gaming to the S24 Ultra 2, according to the Korea Economic Daily. But unlike Apple, Samsung will offer AAA gaming through cloud streaming technology. This allows you to play high-fidelity console-level games without large downloads or installing the full game locally on your device. With a fast internet connection, you'll be able to dive into the latest AAA games with just a subscription fee. No need to pay full price for each game download. This could give Samsung an edge over Apple's approach. There are so many more exciting innovations coming with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, from display upgrades to camera improvements and more. But the addition of advanced on-device AI and streaming access to AAA game titles truly signals a shift towards the next generation of Samsung smartphones. The S24 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute game-changing device, and we can't wait to get our hands on it. And that wraps up this breakdown of the game-changing Galaxy S24 Ultra's new features. If you want to see more on the S24 lineup, make sure to check out other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.